Hello everybody. Sunday evening. And now I'm going to drop these young birds. Look, I've got 13 babies flying. Well, at least I think there's 13. So the nice red that I fancied is up there as well. But anyway, let's see if we can get them down. Come on. Come on. Here comes one. I just landed on the other shed behind me. I stood over here so I can get a good picture. Oh, he's come over. Come on. Come on. Ooh, sweet. Come on in. These droppers out without. Oh no! Nearly. Let's catch them. This one, this red, like I said before, it's got a few flights missing out the wing. Turn him a bit upside down there to get him in there. Come on! All in. Might have a bit of trouble getting these droppers in, to be honest. I've got two that were on holiday in the other shed, so they've obviously been fed up a bit. But come on, could be them two there. Look. Oh no, we got them. Sorted. Right, let's go and feed these. I'm going to go inside and feed them. They're all waiting for a second scoop. I just put some food in there for them two youngest reds, but I put an old hen bird in there just to show them where the feeder was. And you can see they were all feeding. I don't know what I've climbed up here for. I've just, excuse me. I've been trying to train them to to jump down, so I don't have to keep climbing up on a step to get them down. So if anybody can count fast, I want 13. They must all be down. Come on, Em. I've just cracked 4 hours. Come on. Come on, Em. Two there eating, look. I'll have them 2 babies. Well, I'll probably have all the babies on. I'll have them on the loft tomorrow morning and put them 2 babies out so they're in the cage so they can have a good look around while I'm at work. There's that red with the flights missing. It stands out a mile, them feathers. Looks like the feathers are all out of place, but look, they're not out of place. That's where he's lost some flights. And then there's a checker. Got some out of the tail. Not that one, through the other one. Come on in. Come on. They didn't have a lot of barley in that. There weren't a lot of barley in that tin, so I'll just give them a little. There's 13 birds in there, so I'll give them another half a tin, but depurative. Come on. Come on. Come on in. Come on. Come on. That one's not eating nothing, look. Nothing in there. Right, where's the little scoop? I'm going to give them 1/4 of an ounce of depurative. They've already had ½ an ounce of barley each, so now they're all going to have 1/4 an ounce of depurative. Just put this feed train there, feed them with the birds. They're just other stock bird hens. I better get this one out of there in case I let them out accidentally and forget about it. My little pilot hen. Back in there. Look at him. Come on, mate. perch. Just sit on a perch a minute. Have a look at you. There we go. Light is not too great in here. It's not built for photography, sorry. But, there you go. Look at them having a look around there. Have they eaten all that up yet? Nearly. Right, I'm just going to get some water, then I'll be back. Right, I'm back. Just going to hustle these through. They should be wanting some water now. We've literally only just finished the food, but I might have to dip them two birds, put their heads in the water. I haven't actually seen them drink yet. They've only been here a day or so, haven't they? And that one there, you see his eye, look at his eye. Sort of like, yeah, he looked like he's looking for a drink really, that eye. They must have already been drinking. Come on, mate. Not to worry. Righto. Time for a cup of tea, I think. Thanks for watching. Press that subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.